Hi, in front of me I have ACER Iconia One 10-inch model B3-A40, and I'm gonna show you how to reset the network settings on this device. Let's start by opening the settings. To do it, swipe left on the home screen to go to the next page, and then tap on the settings icon. Once in settings, let's scroll all the way down, and right here we have backup and reset option. Tap on it. And here we have network settings reset. Tap it. Select reset settings button. Then tap on reset settings to confirm. And as you can see, network settings have been reset. And that's how you reset the network settings on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.